how to cancel order and get refund on Temu. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Head over to You at the bottom. Move into the option Your Orders. Move forward to the section Processing. So in this page, if you have made the order, it will show all the list over here. You simply need to head over to the product that you want to cancel. Once you are in it, you will find the option of Cancel. All you can do is click on it, and the order will be cancelled successfully. And then the refund option will be available to you. All you want to do is click on it, and within some period of time, you will be able to get the refund back, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can cancel the order and get refund on Temu. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.